All right. Thanks very much for running us through your recommendations. Time to get a move on then and focus in on Vodafone Idea. Remember, the company is all slated to make a strategic announcement today. Let's connect with Rajiv Sharma of SBI Securities. Rajiv, this is intriguing the street really with respect to what that strategic announcements could be, with respect to the fact that there has been that fundraise. The company has been in the news as well with reports talking about big companies like Verizon, Amazon investing into the company. What is it you think the street should brace themselves for?
Hi, Avni. So it's going to be interesting today. So the company has made a announcement, on Friday about the fundraising plans. Now going forward, is it going to be one more step in that direction, or is it going to be something strategic on the brand side? Or some tie-ups on video conferencing, which we saw Bharti doing with Verizon, with Blue Jeans. We really don't know, but most likely it could also be a combination of couple of things. But as of now, the most important strategic aspect for the company is getting some long-term strategic partners. So if that's the way to think about it, it's going to be something around funding, most likely.
Okay, yes, indeed. And, how have you read into their overall fundraising plans as well that the company has announced? Because do remember, it has been working with a very stretched balance sheet, and at a time when they have to cough up these kind of AGR dues as well, it's finding it difficult to survive.
Yes, so if the 25,000 crore plan in itself is not adequate in our view. This can just help in the, 12 to 18 months kind of time period or time frame. They will need much more than that, or they will need a combination of tariff hike and, funding. I must also highlight the fact that once Vodafone gets well funded, then the competition may not find any reason to hold back on tariffs. You could see, tariffs going up more gradually if Vodafone was to get well funded. But 25,000 crores in itself is not enough. They will need a lot more, and this could be, the starting of that overall funding which we see. And I believe the equity part will happen first, then the debt part, because they are already leveraged. So, if they go with any debt instrument right now, they may have to agree on a higher coupon, which may be reasonable once they have more equity on the balance sheet.
Thanks very much for sharing with us your outlook. We'll certainly keep an eye out on what the announcement is from Vodafone Idea.